Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds REALME Buds T200 Lite using your phone. All you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and then at the bottom of the charging case we have also USB-C port. So connect the second USB-C cable right at this port. The most important is to see this LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. And this one is the only way how to charge your earbuds using your phone, because this earbuds doesn't support wireless charging, so we cannot use reverse wireless charging, only this cable. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.